Hello guys, this is VJ. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do basic multiplication. So what I mean by this, I will show you how to multiply a single digit number with a double digit number. In my other videos, I will show you multiplying two double digits. So let's get started. Here I will start off with an easy example. So we have 25, that's our first number. You are multiplying this with the 5. And as you all know, if you plug this in the calculator, you will get your answer, which is 125. But if you wanna do it quickly by hand, this is how you do it. On some tests, you will not be allowed to use a calculator, so this will be very handy. All you have to do is just follow the steps I'm doing. So your first step, your most important step, is writing your problem like this: 25 multiply by 5. Always write it like this. Whenever you see a problem like this, just write it like this. Put this number on the top, this number on the bottom. Now, here's a second important step. You always must start from right to left. Do not go from left to right. You won't get the correct answer. So on your right side, your first digit is 5, and here you only have one number, which is 5. So what are you going to do? You have to multiply them together. So this will be 5 times 5 equals 25. Now, do not write this value as 25 as it is. Again, this is completely incorrect and you won't get a correct answer. Oops, sorry for that. So 5. Okay, so what am I going to do with the 25? All you have to do is just take this 5 right here, take the number to the right, whichever number it is, and just write that down right here. Only that number, not the number next to it. So you put the 5. So now you can ask me, okay, then what am I going to do with the 2? Good question. You're going to take the 2 and carry it over to the next number right here. So what I'm saying is that you will take the 2, put it on top of the 2 here, because after the 5, the next number from right to left is 2. So you're going to put the 2 on top of this 2 and then work out this multiplication. So here 2 times 5 will give you 10, and then you have to add the 10 with the 2. So whenever you are carrying over a number, you have to first do the multiplication for that part and then add it to that number. So here 2 times 5 will give you 10. You add it with the 2. Do not forget this. Do not put 10. It's 12. So, and you can put the 12 as it is. So your answer is 125. If you plug this in the calculator, you will get 125. So now you know how to do this by hand. If you keep practicing lots of problems like this, it will be very easy for you when you are taking any type of test. So let me show you another example. This may look difficult at first, but as I said, all you have to do is just practice lots of multiplication problems. So here's another problem. 35 multiplied by 6. So your first step is write them down like this: 35 multiplied by 6. So what do you have to do here? Let me just erase this over here. So here, as I said, always start from right to left. You go from this side to this side. So you have a 5 to the right, and then you are multiplying that with the 6. So see, as you all know, 5 times 6 gives you 30. And it is always 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. So here you have a 0. You might be wondering, oh, it's a 0. It's not like a 1, 2, or 3 number. It's the same exact step as the previous problem. You have to write the 0 here. Do not put 30. It's just a 0. And you carry the 3 over on top of this 3. So as I said, 3 times 6 gives you 18, and it's always 18. Adding that and the 18 plus 3 equals 21. Hey, we got the answer, 210. You will feel very happy when you get this answer. And if you want to check your work, plug this in your calculator, you will get the same exact answer. You will feel very smart. And here's my one last example. Of this will be the last example of basic multiplication, of multiplying one digit with another two-digit number. So let's say we have 65 and we are multiplying this with the 7. Oh my god, big numbers, no problem. We have our 2 here. As I said, 65 multiplied by 7. Now you all know how to do this. You'll start from right to left. You look at the number to your right, you have a 5. You're multiplying it with the 7. So 5 times 7 equals 35. You write the 5 down here, you carry the 3 over. So 5, carry the 3 over on top of 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. And you can do 6 times 7 or 7 times 6. You will still end up with the same value because it's a multiplication. So 6 times 7 equals 42, and 42 plus 3 should give me 45. Yes. So here's the answer. You have to write the 45 as it is. 45. So now you're done with this problem. Plug this in your calculator. If you want to check if you got this right, you can check it by plugging in your calculator, and you will end up with the same answer. So thank you for watching my video, and please leave your feedback.